y'all, welcome back to another video. So today I have some more makeup to show you guys. Of course, I always have makeup to show you all. I'm about to show you guys what I got in this box. I got a whole bunch of goodies, so we're about to dive into this box. But before we do that, I did get the new minted bronzers, and this is my first time ordering from this brand. So I ordered 2 bronzers and I'm super excited to try this. You guys know I love bronzers. I will have a bronzer video coming up really soon. It's just every time I turn around, it's a bronzer that comes out and I just gotta get it. So I just think it's gonna be a never-ending cycle, so I just might as well just do the video, right? So let's get into the bronzers. You probably see these bronzer in like a trying on new makeup video. I don't think I'm gonna do like a dedicated video. I don't know, but here is, oh my god. But here's the packaging. I love how thin, it's not too bulky, it's not too thin, it's just right, like it's perfect. I love how simple it is. I love the inside of it. It's brown. It's the actual packaging, very narrow. It's really nice. And then the actual name is on the back. It does come with a mirror, and then this is the color right here. I hope you guys are getting the true color, but pretty sure you guys have seen videos already. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch because I just got it in the mail today. So let me put this back in the box because I almost dropped it. So the next bronzer from Minted is called Out of Office, and this one is dark, okay? Yeah, that's a different type of dark. So let me go ahead and swatch that. This one kind of reminds me of the one of the bronzers from Makeup Revolution or whatever. These are soft and they're gliding on really well. So that is Out of Office, and that is extremely dark. Okay, so let's get into this box. So I got a lot of goodies. So nicka also came out with some brushes, and I had to pick up some. Of course, like I need some more brushes, but I did pick up 2. And the only reason why I picked up 2 because I'm pretty sure I'm going to see these at the beauty supply store. So if I see any ones that I like, I will pick it up when I see it at the store. So yeah, I picked these 2 up. Of course, I got a blending brush. I don't need any more blending brushes. I have way too many. So this is what the brush look like. It has their name at the bottom, and then this is the brush. Oh, it feels good. It's nice and fluffy. Yeah, these are reminding me of the Sonia Cashew brushes. Here is one right here. For some reason, it's giving me that vibe. You guys see, this is Sonia and this is nicka. So yeah, and then I picked up the Angle Buffer brush, and just another brush that I can use for foundation. Perfect for foundation, perfect. Oh yeah, it's not too big. I can work with it on my forehead. So yeah, I really like the packaging. That looks pretty good. I did pick up their new mascara. This is the nicka mascara all-in-one. It's waterproof, so it's supposed to give you volume, length, and supposed to define your lashes. So this is what the packaging looks like. I have not opened none of this stuff, like anything. So, oh, and that is the wand. Also got the Art Liner Precise Brush Tip eyeliner. So I'm not a really big fan of doing eyeliner, like wing liner, because I'm horrible at it. Like, ugh. Even if I'm doing somebody else's makeup, I don't do it because I'm just not good at it. This is what the packaging looks like. And, ooh, really sharp. Nice and black. This is the nicka Perfection Setting Spray. I don't think these are new. I feel like I've seen these before. I got the long lasting, and then I got the mattes because you guys know that I'm oily. So the long lasting is a 2-in-1 lightweight makeup primer and setting spray that sets makeup, providing makeup longevity and hydration. So it can be used as a primer to prep face or to set your makeup. And the matte one is basically a 2-in-1 hydrating primer and setting spray with active ingredients to control oil with matte finish. So yeah, I got those two, and I just wanted to, you know, see how these work. So I don't need any more setting sprays. Oh, I didn't set my face. Perfect. I didn't set my face after I did this video. But yeah, that is that spray, and it just went on my face really lightweight. So the next thing that I'm super excited about, I saw that they released some new concealers. I never tried out like any of their complexion products, with like liquid complexion products. So I'm super excited about this. Look how big the concealer is, and I got 3 shades. I think this is bigger than the e.l.f. concealer. So these are super duper big, so big. I'm like, I was not expecting these to look the way they look. I'm like, see, this is why I love the beauty supply store, because you just never know, you get a nice bang for your buck. I'm going to swatch these on my hand. I got 3 different colors because I didn't know, but I feel like all 3 will work perfectly for me depending on what type of look that I might want. So the first one that I got is Camel. Let's see what the applicator looks like. Oh, it's big. And this is supposed to, I don't know if I said the name, but this is the Nicka Perfection Multi-Use Concealer Super Coverage. So this one is like ooh, and it feels pretty thick. Really, it smell alright. I thought I smelled some paint or something, but that's the color Camel. Perfect. Oh my god, that's the color Camel. Next color is, I think it's Cinnamon. So let me try this. I'm so happy that I got these, and I just hope they work, because they look too good not to work, you know. This one is lighter than Camel. So like I said, depends on what type of look I'm looking for. So that one is Cinnamon. And then the last one that I have, this one is Sienna's. That is Sienna right there. Sienna, Cinnamon, and Camel. But picking up the shades, I think I did pretty good. So yeah, I got those. And then I think this is new as well. This is the Nicka Perfection Liquid Foundation Full Coverage Natural Matte Finish. And this looks a little too dark. Like I could have went the shade before this. It looks dark. Oh, the packaging is really pretty. So it's like a matte frosted like packaging. Oh my god, look at Nicka. And I'm pretty sure it's a pump. Telling y'all sleeping on Nicka. So I'm going to squirt this out and see. Yeah, I think this is too dark. This is in the color Cocoa. So yeah, that looks too dark. But I'm still gonna try it because I can also use this on others. And I have these concealers, so I can use these concealers to lighten up, like the shade Camel. I probably can use that to lighten up the actual foundation. But that is the shade Cocoa right there. Hey y'all, so this is me popping in the haul. I forgot to show y'all this Nicka eyebrow pencil. I got it in the color Espresso. I didn't see it at the bottom of the box, but I saved the best for last. If you guys don't know, they came out with some new palettes. Like right after they dropped those, they came out with a bunch of new stuff. Those other palettes, like the mini ones. So sis, I grabbed all 4. I was not playing. I grabbed all 4. So let's get into this. I'm not going to swatch anything because I'm saving it for the video. So the first one that I got is the Blue Hawaii palette. You get 12 colors in here, and the packaging is so freaking cute. This just screamed vacation. Oh girl, look at the colors. Okay, I gotta swatch one. I gotta swatch one. So I do have to swatch one. I'm gonna swatch this yellow. Swatch that yellow. Let's do this blue. Ooh, I love me a nice blue. Do that blue. Ooh, pretty. And how about this hot pink? The next one, this one I'm excited about. This is the Lime Mojito palette. Ugh, I love me a nice green as well. Hint, that's what I have on my eyes. But yeah, this is the Lime Mojito palette. And let's see. These are the shades in here. It kind of, let me see now, cause it kind of looked like the Lucky Charm palette. Like it had, like it looked a little similar. Like, no, it don't. It don't. Let's swatch this color right here. Ooh, ooh, that, ooh, girl. Okay, dark one right there. Ooh, it feels really soft. So I guess I'll swatch 3 from each palette, and let's do a matte. Maybe let's swatch this color up here. Oh, this color at the top giving me fall vibes. Like the minute I put it down, it's just giving me like that terracotta brown, orangey fall color. Cause I'm ready for fall. I'm over it. I'm ready for fall. I'm just ready for it. So that definitely gave me fall vibes. This color right here, baby, you know that's going on my eye. It looks kind of similar to what I'm having on my lid right now, but you know that's going on my eye. Oh, I can't wait to swatch the rest of the palette. Next palette is Lilac Twinkle. Yeah, Lilac Twinkle. I was gonna say Twinkie. I got some Twinkies in the kitchen that I've been thinking about all day, so that's probably why I thought it said Twinkie. And Courtney, I thought about you when I saw this palette, and I thought about you when I saw the other one. So yeah, I feel like this is something that you would like. It's really pretty. It's really pretty and girly. I really like the packaging. So let's, ooh, this color right here, let's swatch that. Oh yeah. Ooh, Christmas vibes already. Let's do a matte, this matte purple. Yo, the pigmentation on this, swatching it, is so freaking nice, but we still have to use it on the eyes. And let's do another matte. We've been doing shimmers. Let's do this pink shade right here. This one right here, that last one, I don't even know, that's like a red color. It's a, I don't know what it is. It looks so good, but that purple right there is nice, and the pink. I really like that purple. Yeah, so this is the peach palette. So this is the next palette I was thinking about. Like I said, I was thinking about my girl Courtney when I saw these 2 colors, because I feel like you're gonna like these. I really do. But I think you're gonna like this peach palette. Just the color story alone is so freaking pretty. So I already know you're gonna get your hands on this. This is so freaking cute. Let's do this color right here. That's what I've been dying to get. Ooh. This one right here, that's pretty. That's different to put in a peach palette. Right here, oh my god, these 2 right here are so pretty. The brown is nice in here as well, but these 2, oh my goodness, yes, I cannot wait to use this. I don't know which one to use first when I review it, but I'll let y'all vote. So should I do the peach palette first? Should I do, we'll do it by color because you guys might not remember the name. Should I do the orange palette first, lilac, pink or purple, whatever you want to call it, the lime green palette, or like the blue palette? So blue, lime, we're gonna say purple, and orange. So which one should I do first? And we're gonna get into all that. I do need to try out those blush palettes as well. Yeah, we're gonna try it out. We're gonna try out all of this stuff, okay? So yeah, that is everything that I got from Nicka K. Like I said, if you guys want to see this eye look, I did use the Nicka K Lucky Charm palette, and I'm just ready for them to drop some more stuff. Like, I'm just ready. Y'all know I'm ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found some new products that you guys are interested in.